Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today I would like to show you the updates for EGLD USDT trading period with my customer request set. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, I highly recommend you join the free Telegram channel. Today I got over than 32 alerts. What I added in videos in the summer, for example, here the EGLD USDT on Binance, I added the alert. So the buy line on take profit indicator in August 28. It's kind of weird because after the almost 2 months, we landed to that zone. And here, August, here, I posted the video and in that video, I add alert. So when we will drop to the buy line, so I can see the notification. It could be hard to imagine how and based on what we should drop, for example, 34%, but we dump it 71%. Guys, it's kind of weird, absolutely weird. I don't want to explain it again, what's happening now on the market, because it's just about a Trump, and it's not like manipulation. It just gives us the information. So all of that market things, what we see around the roadmaps, fancy, the promises from the project, it just absolutely not make sense. So any tweet, any post, any speech from some guy can dump the price of the tokens 70% down, or 30% down, or 50%, or open the chart of DYDX. So over than 100% drop yesterday was. So and no make sense. Also post some excuses like, oh no, it's just because of Trump. No, it's just because of these tokens are useless. So that's a fact. So we almost close the monthly gap, almost close to the 0.5 level FIP, where we live here in June 2020. Imagine after the 5 years, so we landed back to the favorable gap. It's weird. We're still in the accumulation zone. It's like 35 and we can add 1-0. So we use that zones, guys. Once again, never say never. Maybe the EGLD will drop to 1 cent. We can't know. We can't know in the current moment, right? So the bullish targets, guys, still relevant if the market will recover back, if this is like COVID dump crash. Even more because in COVID dump, I already explained to you, we saw like 3 billion liquidation. Now we saw like 19 billion liquidation in 24 hours. So it's big differences. That's why now, yesterday, it was the biggest crash ever in crypto, I guess. So even the bigger than FTX. So the next step, I guess, the 85 and 119 is the next step for EGLD. Will it be the end of cycle for this token? Maybe, guys, because we dump so hard, you know, and this one, $120 is going to be almost 3,000% gains from the bottom, and it's amazing rally. It's an amazing rally. I don't think so now because we dump it so hard, so we're going to pump to 327. That time, you know, here when we trade in August, it was a logical pump, 2,000% gains, logical one. But we dump it so hard, and now from this low, it's almost unreal to reach the 7,000% gains. That's why this target probably we will not reach. And this one now, we have to reduce the expectation. This can be the end of cycle for this token. Most positive case scenario, guys. So just in case, we still leave and still keep this actual highs. I think, yes, if the market will recover back, if the BTC dominance drop it down, alts can pump a little bit. Here, we trade under fundamental value. The next step, we can add 1-0. just like example, right? It's hard to say, will we drop or not? You know, here's a take profit line now. It's $39.07. Exit line 44.32. So basically, all tokens, all crypto, all alts now underrated, so underrated. We saw the drop on the fundamental value, even on the daily. Also, it was like $7.38. Now we reject at trying to break and reject at buy line on the daily, and see the signal to buy. Here was a take profit indicator, take profit signal from that sell in June. So you could open short, keep the position trades until middle of October, take profits, buy. So shift of the trend. 12 time frame also take profit. No signal to buy yet on 12 time frame. So what's the locally, what we can see? I think we can drop once again at least to 886 or 50%. 50% of this week, it can be around like 664 or 772, so around here. And after that, I think and I hope if the market will recover, we can go to the buy take profit line 1761 and this one 1996. So this is it. Let's double check. So global targets, guys, I showed you. Let's double check now daily what we can see locally, because globally I think we need to reduce the expectation and just now focus on a local entry. But for the spot, I guess now it can be the good entries. Daily, I can show you the ADZ because it's a crypto ticker global chart and not from exchange. You know, we just in a middle line without any signals to buy. So unfortunately, weekly time frame, tears of whales accumulate. So I hope the whales accumulate for the upside move in November. If not, guys, we all will be wrecked. Nobody know the future. Why not? I always tell you, nobody know the future because it's a fact, and no one TA, no one technical analysis, no one research will give you the insider information what Trump will post next. And you can see that fundamental mean absolutely nothing. Just one tweet from one person can dump the price of the token like in one candle 68%. With fundamental or without. That's why, guys, now focus just on the risk management and the money management. So this is the key. Market mood, this is capitulation, disbelief. Daily time frame, capitulation, disbelief. It's good a good time to buy. Disbelief, capitulation on the market mode on the weekly. Monthly, total depression. Good one. So it's a good one. So the best case, guys, if we just, you know, usually we form the sometimes the 50%, what I notice here, 50% of this drop, week, can be 653. It can be the best option to buy again. This spot. If you want to buy on with the futures, just use stop losses. Here is a lot of accumulation on 4-hour time frame, 12 time frame, no accumulation yet. So this kind of weird. This is weird. And here, by the way, the 14 in 3 days, we will see the Fed chair Jerome Powell speech, and some news, but it's not a fact that price at all. All right, so no main money inflow yet. Some money inflow being here in August, 2025. Now nothing. It's kind of weird. Weekly, no money inflow yet. So locally, guys, I showed you the targets where more than okay accumulate and take profit zones I showed you. If you like to trade as my customer, because I will show it in this video, use right medium. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.